beauties, welcome back to my channel. Yay. So you all, today I've got this makeup look to show you all. I'm doing makeup on myself, no model here guys, no model. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. This look is inspired by Kim and Makeup by Mario's palette, you know, the new palette that they've got together. Yes, so yeah, this blue is a different kind of, little bit different from the blue that is in her palette. So I'm not using her palette, so the blue might look a little bit different. Yeah, I did a nude lips just so it looks a little bit like the Kim K's one. Yes guys, my hair, or let's talk about this hair. This hair is from Julia hair. God, this hair came in black. Like, I colored this hair, I bleached this hair, you know, and the texture is still like intact. The texture still feels, the hair feels good, smooth and everything. Like, even though the hair came body wave and I straightened the hair, it's still sleek. Like some hair, when it comes body wave and you straighten the hair, it will still look puffy, it will look sleek like this. Now this place will be looking thick, and when I bleached it, there's no shading at all. Like, no shading at all. Like, I love the quality. Like, yes, from the hair I've got 26, 24, 20, 20 and a 20 inches frontal. Yes guys, my frontal is laid to the girl. Like, yeah. So the hair, I laid the hair down. I'm gonna show you guys the process. Loving this color. Like, this color on me is so subtle. Like, yeah, not my usual blonde, like very bright blonde that I love. This is really nice. I love it on my complexion. Yes, and yeah, the frontal is laid to perfection. Yes, this is HD camera. You might see a little bit of lace. This is not Instagram filtered video where everything look flawless. Yes, this is HD camera where you can see, you might see a little bit of bit of pieces, but yeah, my frontal is laid. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this look, and yeah, check out Julia's hair. I'm going to put link to Julia's hair in the description box. Yeah, definitely check out Julia's hair. My hair is the bomb. Like, I'm feeling this hair, so this is going to be the hair I'm going to be wearing often because I love this color on me. Yes, Julia's hair link is going to be in the description box. And guys, thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Enjoy my video.